Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today our topic is how we can create a model class, a model structure, and how we can just properly use it. In this video, we are just simply going to create a model class for that, and we also, if we just need a keys that is coming from the APIs, we have to create our own keys, how we can do that as well. So we already created a structure with the name of appetizer, and we have to extend with decodable and identifiable. So what does that decodable and encodable mean? So decodable means when you are getting the data from the API, like with the get API call. So for that, you have to use decodable. And when you are emitting the data, like using uh, a post API call, you have to use encodable for that. And if you are using both, you have to use codable for that. For now, because we are having a get request in our requirement, we have to use decodable for that. And for identifiable, you have to identify with every uh, throw key for that. So for that you have to use identifiable for that. So here you can see it's saying you have to confirm the identifiable as well. For that you have to create an ID or any UDID for that. So let's just start with our needed requirement, which is here. We have a JSON file here, and we have an array of meals for that. Okay, so first of all we have to create a structure of meals, and then we have to create a structure of every meal. So for that we have to create another structure, which is appetizer meals, which is decodable, and here we have to write one parameter, which is a meals. Here you can see we have a parameter named meals. Okay, and with a type is appetizers, which is this one. Okay, so we have the first thing, which is a meals, and we have a structure of that as well. So the next thing, we have to create a complete scenario for these things. So for that we have to use one by one this thing. I am just writing down in a fast way. You don't have to wait for that for every parameter, and just let you know for that. Here you can see we have created a complete parameter that we needed for that. Also, the next thing, which is a coding. Let's say we don't need a ID meal. Instead of that, we need a meal ID. So let's say when we are getting ID meal from the backend, and we don't want to use this as an ID meal. We want to use a meal ID for that. So for that we have to use meal id here as a parameter, and in the coding key we just have to wrap this up, and we will use mail id equals to this. So in this way you can create your own custom parameters and the custom name that you want to use in your Swift code. Sorry, we have to use that for this resolving the issue as well. So that's all for today. Hope you learn a new thing, which is creating a model class for that, and how we can use a custom keys uh, for our easiness to use in our the app. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more relevant videos regarding iOS and Swift UI, and also we are covering some more topics as well. And please subscribe and comment down below if you need a specific topic or if you have any questions. So thanks for watching. That's all for today, and happy coding. We will see you in the next video.